Good morning.
Bring in the church. Bring them in the church.
No, they'll be flying and scaring people. But I seen the little baby.
Where?
He was walking right here.
Oh, that's why.
Must be on the grass here somewhere.
Where?
Well, I don't see him now. I don't see him anymore.
Oh, there's a baby.